Photosynthesis is one of the most important biological processes on Earth. It is the remarkable way that plants, algae, and certain bacteria convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy that can be stored and used later. This process is essential for life as we know it, providing both food and oxygen for most living organisms on our planet. At its core, photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy stored in glucose molecules. Think of it as nature's way of capturing sunlight and packaging it into a form that living things can use. The process takes light from the sun, combines it with water and carbon dioxide, and transforms these simple ingredients into glucose, which is a type of sugar that serves as food and energy for the plant. For photosynthesis to occur, 4 key ingredients are needed. First, sunlight provides the energy that powers the entire process. Second, water is absorbed by the plant's roots from the soil. Third, carbon dioxide is taken in from the air through tiny pores in the leaves called stomata. And fourth, chlorophyll, which is the green pigment found in plant cells, acts as the molecular machinery that captures light energy and drives the chemical reactions. The chemical equation for photosynthesis shows us exactly what goes in and what comes out. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water, combined with light energy, produce 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. The glucose, with the chemical formula C6H12O6, becomes the food and energy source for the plant, while the oxygen is released into the atmosphere as a byproduct that we breathe. Photosynthesis occurs in 2 main stages that work together but happen in different locations within the plant cell. The light reactions occur in the thylakoid membranes, which are stacked structures inside the chloroplasts. The Calvin cycle, also known as the light-independent reactions, occurs in the stroma, which is the fluid-filled space surrounding the thylakoids. These 2 stages are interconnected and depend on each other to complete the process. The light reactions are the first stage of photosynthesis, and as the name suggests, they require light to function. During this stage, chlorophyll and other pigments capture light energy from the sun. This energy is used to split water molecules in a process called photolysis. The splitting of water produces 2 important energy-carrying molecules, ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH, which is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Oxygen is released as a byproduct when water molecules are split. The Calvin cycle is the second stage of photosynthesis and is also called the light-independent reactions, though it still depends on products from the light reactions. This stage captures carbon dioxide from the air through a process called carbon fixation. The ATP and NADPH produced during the light reactions provide the energy needed to convert carbon dioxide into glucose molecules. Interestingly, the Calvin cycle can occur without direct light as long as it has access to ATP and NADPH, which is why it is sometimes referred to as the dark reactions. Photosynthesis is crucial for life on Earth for several reasons. It forms the foundation of nearly all food chains, as plants are primary producers that convert solar energy into chemical energy that other organisms can consume. The process produces oxygen that most living organisms, including humans, need for respiration. It also removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to regulate Earth's climate. Finally, photosynthesis is the primary way that solar energy is converted into a usable form for the vast majority of life on our planet.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.